evening. I don't know what time it is for you. All right. That'd be really creepy if I did. But hi, everyone. I'm just doing a short stream because it's morning time and I have things to do today, but figured it'd be fun to do a little bit of coding. Um, Slash, I'd love to film a bunch of stuff. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. It is super early. It is 7 a.m. on a Sunday for me. 1, 2, 3 Prime subs are free. Thank you for the Prime, OTC. I appreciate that. Thank you. You guys, look at how far forward I have to wear my headphones. Like, I feel like normally I would wear them like here. This is normally where I would wear headphones, but I'm wearing them like here. And it seems to be making it more comfortable, I think. TBD. Keep you all updated on my headphone journey with the QC45s. They ain't cheap. And I'm sad that I can't wear them like I normally would because they hurt. Which is funny because I got them because they were supposed to be like the most comfortable ever. You know? Scammed. It's like Canada Flex. That's right. Well, it's because it's from Lululemon. It's our like Olympic merch. That's why. It's actually kind of funny to me now how many sweaters I have that have like the Canadian flag on it. I actually just really struggled to say Canada just now. That's kind of embarrassing. You guys, it's early. Also, I made a matcha latte. And then I had immediate regrets and I wished that I made black tea instead. So. I guess that's the update on what's happening, in case you're wondering. All right. So I've been working on another project. So we're learning Haskell. We've also got a stream bot that I'm building. And then we've got, of course, all my uncompleted projects that we started on stream and never touched again. It's fine. It's great. Just make both. I think you're right. But also, like, I can only have so much caffeine. I don't need that much caffeine today, you know? It's not like I'm working all day. I got a spa appointment. Bro. Kai is literally the cutest thing in the world. She's sleeping on the bed that's like that way. She's sleeping there and she looks so cute, like a little teddy bear. I kind of want to like spin the camera around to show you because it's so cute. I'll just take a photo. Yeah, my phone's here. It's so freaking cute. I'll take a photo. I'll post in the Discord. All right, join the Discord. !Discord in chat. Okay, that's how you do it. And also we welcome photos of your pets. So you know. Cozy Kai. All right. Look at how cute she is. She's just snoozing away. Adorable. Are you sponsored by Canada? I wish. Imagine how messy Twitch chat would be if it allowed for pictures. Yeah, that would be terrifying. That would be way more power than chat should have. Like a lot more power. I want to adjust the width here real quick. Make it less wide, I guess. There we go. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, let's do some coding. Ignore my bar there. Okay, just ignore that. Yeah. All right, so I've been working on my stream bot kind of. I haven't really done much for it except for I'm adding a back end to it, and I'm gonna try and make a video on it. I don't know how I don't know. It always seems pretty boring. I'm like making this video and I'm like, I don't know. It's less exciting than me contributing to open source, but like think people need to know this stuff as well, you know? Like, this would be helpful for people. But, like, is it fun? Questionable. Questionable. It is a gopher plushie at the back. It is. I got a gopher. I got a pooping balloon dog. Pooping balloon dog. And GitHub logo. It's a fun little party back there, to be honest. All right, so I'll be filming for YouTube intermittently as well, by the way. So just a heads up, I guess, in case that seems weird to you. All right, so this is what the code is looking like so far. So I basically have a struct for command that I don't know how much I'm using this yet, to be honest. But so I have this repository interface that I'm trying to use to define the layer or like the interaction with the database, which in this case is we're using BadgerDB, which is just a key value store. So it's pretty straightforward. But then I have this commands repository, which implements the repository interface. But then, I don't know. So like I started kind of overthinking things a tiny bit. And then I was thinking like, oh, but then wouldn't the commands repository, shouldn't like the set value just be like set, and then it should set a command, and then the command has the key value information. But then it's like, who cares? So that's where we're at with that. We just implemented the get all, which is basically like get all the keys, get all the values. And I wrote a test for that as well, which is really fun. So I have a table test, but I only have one actual test. It's just an integration test, so it's nothing crazy. Like, I can't really even make the test fail because of maybe the way I've written it, / I'm not the one implementing the, I'm not the one writing out the implementation for it, obviously, because it's Badger that's doing that. So it's basically just a little integration test for like peace of mind that I haven't totally messed up how I'm supposed to be interacting with this. So that's what's happening. And then we'll add the rest of these functions for the commands repository, and then we'll kind of see how it's working. And then basically once that is done, once we're working fine with Badger, then I'm going to start working with the Twitch API first, maybe, or the YouTube API. I don't know. We're going to take a look at the APIs. We'll see which one's like the easier one, maybe, and start with that. And then do the next one for YouTube. So the idea with this is that I can have a stream bot that basically is going to run, and then I have all of the same commands for YouTube and Twitch. Because right now, if I'm using Nightbot, it's actually a separate Nightbot that is managing YouTube and then like the one that's for Twitch. So like none of the commands transfer or anything like that. So it's kind of weird. And I've been meaning to like try just building my own bot and like all of that for a while. So why not? Mikhail, we are here. Rules or guidelines. I enjoy doing both. So if I get punished for that, then so be it. Hegelberg, thank you so much for the 10 months. I appreciate that. Thank you. That's a cool idea. Yeah, I feel like it's should be pretty straightforward in like a fun way. You know what I mean? Okay, so then here at get value, I'm actually 100% referencing the docs for this, for like how to use everything, which is really fun. So to start a real-only transaction, you can do db.view. All right, gotcha. You can have from any right to delete with this runner. That's cool. So I think what I can do is I can do error is equal to db.view. Is my like language server not? Oh, I need c.db.view. That's why. Yeah, and then it would be, I think, a function with a badger txn. Okay, func. Okay, txn. badger.txn. Also, how do you guys feel about the music versus no music? I haven't been having music in my on my streams the last little while, and I'm curious what you all think of this. Okay, so then I think what I can do is I can do txn.get. Get, and then it just takes a key and returns an item or an error. Okay. So this would be the value. Just do v comma error. And then this is actually going to be a byte. And that's going to be the key. Which means I also need to go to, can I get value? Yeah, this one. I think I should just change, I need to just change all of these to bytes. I keep having to change the signatures here. I don't know why I thought it would be strings. Get all isn't, that's like, oh yeah, get all is interesting. Because I did make that one commands. I don't know. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this how I think it should look. And then I'm going to see if I can get a more experienced Go dev to come on and like tear my code apart. And I think that'd be pretty valuable for like viewers as well. Not brave enough to leave an IDE yet. I personally do enjoy the background music. Okay, let's do a vote. Let's do a vote. A poll. Yeah, my dot files. You can find my new config in my dot files here. Bash bunny / dot files. It's all up to date. I'm pretty sure. It is. It's pretty up to date. Okay. Music or no? Music, no. I listen to my own. All right. I just created a poll so you can have fun with that. Let me see if I. Oh, hello. No, I want live chat. Let me see if I know how to create a poll on here. No. I don't know. I don't know how to do it. I see his eyes where I sleep, man. I can't escape him wherever I go. Maybe it's a sign that I should learn Go. Yeah, you should. It's fun. It's really fun, I think. Look at Lazy Vim. Yeah, I heard good things about Lunar Vim as well. What are other white noise choices? Like light construction or a library? I like the rain noises, actually. I do like rain noises in the background. Hydrate? You guys are very demanding for it being so early in the morning. You're already bossing me around? That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, whoops. I forgot to stop recording. Do you generally read only message by subs? No. I do not. I'm like a Pokemon. Yeah, for real. Y'all are trying to make me battle. Yeah. I don't know about this. Ask about this. Here we go. All right. And then we'll do, yeah, so get, and then we'll do key. I guess I'll make it K so it's a little more consistent, I suppose. Like, pretty good at being inconsistent, for the record. All right, and then I'm also should be returning a byte, which I think I changed already. Say comma in what? In parameter list? Oh, because I did a bad thing. Confused. Forever confused. Okay. Wait, so then here would I return error? Return error. Can I return V here? Return V. undeclared. Okay, yeah, no, I can't do that. So I'm just gonna return v, comma error, return v, comma error, I suppose. This is like interesting to me. So what is this search? View function. Hold on, I need to look at how they do this, or I need to look at how I've done it before. How did I do it for my get? Oh, I think I have a variable outside of it. Yeah, okay, I like that. I think I like that. I like that. So var v is a byte, and I'll just set v and then return v declared but not used, false. I should return the error as well. Could do errors.wrap if I wanted to be very good, but I will not, because I'll do that later. I don't want to like pre-engineer things, you know what I mean? I hate when I do that. Undeclared name error. Yeah, okay. Cannot use, what is happening? Wait, badger.item. Returns item, looks for the key, returns the corresponding item. Oh, interesting. Okay. Well, I am only trying to get the value, so I guess I'll just do item and then return i.value. Is that a thing? Hello? Can you not? Is that a thing? Undeclared name I? Oh yeah, that's fine. That means I need to do, this needs to be I, and this needs to be badger. Badger.item. I think it needs to be pointer. I don't recall. Declare but not used. Oh yeah, sorry, my bad. Can I use i.value? Oh god. Hello? Can I get some help here? Badger.item. Okay, wait, can I do... I don't know what I keep hitting, and it's driving me kind of crazy, but it's fine. Can I do this, and can I go to like... No client. Okay, it didn't let me do that. Oh god. I got stuck. Where am I? Okay. Iterator.go item. Item.val. Val, okay. Item.val. Why is my like LSP not helping me here? Has no method or field val. What do you mean? I literally just looked at it. Oh, it's because it's a... Okay, I gotta use a function or something. Key, value. Alright, fine. Where am I? Where? Oh my gosh, I'm in the wrong file. That's terrifying. Value. What do you want from me? This is so annoying. Retrieves the value of the item from the value log. Should I just not do this here? Oops. I meant to do value. What does it want from me? Func with a val. It retrieves the value of the item from the value log. What's that function supposed to do? All right, let me find it. Value. Get. Okay, their search is not awesome. Using key value pairs. Thank you. Hi guys. Hello. What keyboard? I'm still using my ducky. I need to do more I need to practice more with the other one. Like I need to do more like typing tests and stuff like that, which I just can't be bothered to do a lot of the time. I'm Trying Helix Editor. It's pretty cool for no setup needed. I've heard good things about Helix. Heard good things about Helix. Very dependent on toggle term for some reason. I've used Helix for about a month or so. It's very nice, but NeoVim is so much better. I use NeoVim Chad with NeoVim. That one's pretty good. Same with LunarVim. Helix has a long road ahead, but I think the journey will be very pleasant. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we're coding in Go today. Rain sounds really isolate you from unwanted noise. Yeah, I agree. What was the results of the poll? View results. No, I listened to my own. Okay, yeah, there's most. That was like pretty. Yeah, okay. People like listening to their own music, which is cool. That's cute. World's best coder? I don't know about that. But I do find it fun anyway. It's not Haskell. No, this is Go. This is Go. Although I'm trying to figure out what this wants from me. Value. I could probably hold on. I should look it up in the. I should look up their API. Package.go.dev. I think that's the right. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Badger. Any tips on how to train the long head of the tricep? No tips. Sorry. Yeah, I might be able to try that more now in the new year because it's like my schedule's a little less chaotic. It was way too chaotic before before the break. It was insane. Okay, value. Here we go. Okay, they don't have any examples of this method. Must be called within a transaction. Calling it outside transaction is considered undefined behavior. If an iterator is being used, then item.value is using the current iteration only. Use value, copy. Well, I don't feel like I understand where it's supposed to be used. Or like what this function is that it's supposed to be calling. db.new transaction. Oh, okay. So I need to do. Wait, do I need to do that every time? Wait, what is this? db.view. Oh wait, this is a transaction. This is a transaction? Is this if views used with managed transaction? I don't think so. I think I'm doing the wrong thing. I think I'm just doing it wrong. Okay, I think I'm actually just supposed to make this value. And then this, and then other things happen here. Okay, can you work? Can you let me see what this... Oh, I'm recording, that's why. It's like, no information available? Okay, well, that's not helpful at all, actually. Thank you. Thank you for that. Function val byte. Yes. I think that's fine. No, because I need to get the item first. Okay, no, I do need this. And then I need to get the item. And then I have the item. And then I need to get the value. And that's literally all I'm trying to do. Retrieves the value of the item from the value log. This method must be called within a transaction. Okay. So something, new transaction. Current execution of transactions. Okay. Seems. Item value. Okay. What is this even returning? Is it giving me anything? It just returns an error. Guys, I don't get it. Why? Use val. I think maybe value copy is what I want. It seems like value copy is what I want. Returns a copy of the value of the item and because it returns something other than just errors. All right. Let's do, what's DST? Writing it to a DST slice. The hell's that? Return I, error. Well, I just want the value. Otherwise, I would just say get item. And then that would be like what makes sense. But I just want the error as like a byte. That's all I want from this. Okay, what is this? Updating keys while iterating. Item.key. Okay, but that's, where's the value? Item.value. Wait, new value? Range, read. Item.value. Wait, what? Okay. How to use badger value. It's kind of crazy. Face is too dark. Okay, well. Sorry, guys. I've got my dark lighting in here. It's like 6 a.m., okay? Face too dark. Also, I can't really see myself, so I guess thank you. Thanks for letting me know. I didn't say use value copy if you want to use it outside the loop. I guess so. What loop, though? No, it was saying for like a new transaction. Like, I don't even know what a transaction is, which isn't helpful, which means I should probably look at what a transaction is. I don't know why my face is so dark today. I don't know what's going on there. Hold on. Let me adjust, I suppose. There you go. Okay, that should be better. I think maybe I'm trying to keep it dark because, like, I literally rolled out of bed and came on stream, so. Oh, my voice? Yeah, I can't. Well, I can turn it up here. Hello? Is that better? It's a little higher now. But otherwise it's like there's only so much control that I have within OBS. The function a lot better. Okay. I'll keep it here. Thank you, guys. She's on dark mode. That's right. Yeah, and I'm also really bad at talking into my mic apparently, so you're welcome for that as well. What is it? It's already more popular than Rusted Go. What is? Oh, Haskell? Yeah. You got a leaf on your shoulder? Oh yeah, I know. It's awesome, isn't it? Yeah, so do you think learning Haskell is worth learning? I think it is at some point, yeah. It doesn't have to be at the beginning of when you're trying to learn to code. But I think that like knowing the different kinds of programming paradigms, I guess, is that what they're called? Programming paradigms, like the different like languages, the different like procedural versus object-oriented versus functional. I think it's like good practice, and with functional languages being so like rigid and like opinionated, it like kind of challenges you to solve problems differently, like think about problems differently. So yeah, they teach it at universities for good reason, I think. But yeah, I'm trying it for, yeah, that pretty much that challenge, that same challenge. Okay. Managing transactions. Okay, so the db.view and db.update methods are wrappers around the db.new transaction and txm.commit methods. Okay, so this is a wrapper for a transaction. So this is a transaction, this view. Sometimes it's necessary to manually call. Okay. That makes sense then. But what I don't understand how if you need to use a value outside a transaction, Like, I think this one would be fine. It's just weird to me that it's like, what is it doing with the value? Like, it doesn't seem to be doing anything with it. You know what I mean? Yield item value. Defer run callback. What is this? Returns a copy of the item from the value log, writing it to a DST slice. So value copy, I could just pass in a byte and like a array of byte, and then it'll write to that. Okay, maybe I'll try that instead, because I don't really understand how this value one is working, to be honest. Yeah, which means I shouldn't need this anymore. I should just need my var v, which is a byte. And then I can do I dot value copy returns a copy of the value. Okay, I think v, is that gonna work? And writes it to a DST slice. A new slice will be allocated to return. It might make sense to reuse the return slice as a DST. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna make it like I'm gonna make it a little different, and we're gonna play around with it a little bit so that I can try and understand what's going on. You know what I mean? That's the strategy. Return V. I'll just see what is happening there. I guess I'll do that for now. Hello? If I had to do functional programming, it would be F# instead of Haskell, though you can earn a lot of money as a Haskell programmer. I want to learn Haskell because I know quite a few people who write Haskell. And I decided okay, wait, I'm gonna do it. No new variables. Okay, well then don't worry about it. Okay, I think that's fine. I have some friends who know Haskell, so like it makes it a little bit easier. It'd be easier for me to pick up. And also because I really wanna have Haskell memes somewhere. Start posting some Haskell memes maybe. But yeah. I've at least heard of Haskell. Hi, Chris. Good morning. I've never used Go. I've heard they lack generic types, which is a little annoying. I don't. So like, no, they changed. They changed that. Two, I never use it, to be honest. Also, wait, you guys, I'm actually the worst streamer. Bestie, thank you so much for the Prime. Icarus, thank you so much for the 18 months. Thank you. And Hobbs, thank you for the 6 months. I appreciate it. Hegelberg, I don't know if I thanked you, but thank you for the 10 months as well. Thank you. How about using something like this? I found it really intriguing because no one likes writing documentation. But if you want people to contribute to your project, you have to make good documentation. It's true. What's happening over here? What is this awful syntax? It's Go. How do you write code for projects? That have very little or zero documentation? I look at so like with Go, for example, there's the package.go.dev, where it kind of generates documentation for you. So it shows like all of the like public functions. So like whatever is accessible, whatever functions are accessible when you import the library or whatever. So typically looking there, or even just like if I'm trying to do something, if I'm trying to use a tool and there's like it's bad documentation though, like I often like won't use it and use something that has better documentation. But if I'm desperate to use it, I'll just read the code. The code's going to be more accurate than the docs anyway in terms of like the functionality that you can actually have. Like I trust that's what's nice about the Go docs is that it's like generated based on the documentation. It's not like people that are having to rewrite anything. It's just like it's literally just automatically generated. So it makes it pretty easy. Yeah. Code is the best documentation. Yeah, agreed. What are we writing? Yeah, so we're working on I'm working on a bot, but right now I'm basically just doing the DB stuff, getting all the repository things set up. So just interacting with my database, and then the next step is going to be like actually getting the APIs going and stuff like that. Have you ever tried Rust? Maybe I have. Yeah, I've done a tiny bit of Rust. Itty bitty little bits of Rust. Do you pick your language to be fashionable? Maybe. Yeah, I only choose the fashionable languages. Any specific way you do it? I mean, any good search tools are gonna help you. Like if I'm looking for something, I kind of will just search keywords that I think would be related to what I'm looking for. So for example, in this case, I would search for like value. Key is like a little bit, yeah, like value, like get value or just value and like kind of bop around there. Also just using like the tooltip that you get when you like trying to get more information on a function, and then like you can go to definition. I can go to definition and I can see the code in another whatever it's called buffer, and then I can see what if there's more information that I need to know. But yeah, hello. I didn't write anything to that file. But yeah. What does the number? Oh, that's the I think that's my linter. I'm pretty sure that's my linter. Maybe, or it's just like unsaved. I don't really know, to be honest. I think it's just no. I have no idea what the 5 is. I'd have to check. Modified. Oh, files modified. Yeah. You're probably right. Something like that. Yeah, for real. Honestly, examples, you don't need like crazy documentation if you have examples on how to use stuff. TBH. Okay, let's try getting a value. So I guess actually I could just write a quick test on that as well if I want. Actually, did I close that? Yeah, I did. Okay. Actually, I'll write a main.go and then I'll write a test after. What could go wrong? Okay. Here I'll do. Get value, and then let's say hello, and then whoops, 1 second. Okay, hi. I'm back. Yeah, the gopher was here taking my spot, okay? There we go. Here we go. Okay. Commands declared not used. Yeah, that's fine. Let's just do a little printeroo. Commands. If I was smart, I would do... Okay, wait, hold on. Hold on. There we go. S, and we're going to change commands to value. There we go. Sick. Sick. Oh, that does not work. Cool. Yeah, so I think it needs to be, this needs to be like some other value. Can I make this V? But then what's the point of even passing it in there? You know what I mean? Okay, I'm going to try that. I'm going to see if that works. If not, oh wait, I didn't actually format that properly. Hold on. I can wrap this, I think. Get value, there you go. Sick. Okay, there we go. That's okay. So that actually works the way I want it to, which is good. But I don't know why. Like, why do I need to pass that in if it's like? I guess because it's empty, so it returns. Okay, whatever. What if I just pass nothing? Can I do that? Can I do like empty? No, it didn't like that. Okay, whatever. I'll just leave it like that. Okay, cool. I guess I'll write a test for it now. Just, why not? I'm gonna yoink that and then delete a bunch of it because I don't actually need anything that complicated. Test get value. Alright. So this is gonna be input. Oopsies. It's gonna be input. Alright, and then the what else do we want? What font am I using? It's IBM Plex Mono. But I think it's just Blex Mono, like nerd font. What's the extension with a normal insert? Oh, things? That's Lualine. Lualine. What do you think is the best file manager you know? I usually use VIFM. I actually don't really use any file manager. I use Telescope if I'm gonna use anything. Like just as if I need a file browser. Do I even have? No, that wasn't it. That wasn't it. I don't even like. I literally that's how little I use it. I don't even remember what it's bound to. But you can do like I think it's file browser or something. Yeah, and then you can like use this. That's what I used when I wanted to like not use Nerdtree anymore. Yeah. I just use everything. I pretty much just use Telescope plus like native LSP is like the basics of my NeoVim config. And then Lualine. I do like Lualine because like look at these like terrifying gophers that they have at the bottom. I'm not using generics in Go yet. I'm not because I'm so used to just like having something just implement the interface and then just like, you know, passing it in like that. So like I haven't used them yet. Although I'm pretty sure there's some projects that I'm working on that could definitely benefit from me using generics, but I haven't done it yet. So yeah. Hi Jubera, what's up? What's up? What am I building? I'm building a stream bot. So right now we're just building out the interaction with the database, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Lualine is not on VS Code. No, it's not. It's like a status line. I'm sure you can get a status line in VS Code if you want. Okay, want is gonna be a byte. Yeah. I'll say Bite World. I have to sneeze. Oh, I hate that. I hate that. I really had to sneeze and it just left. And now I still feel like I need to sneeze. So mean. So rude, honestly. And this needs to be not in tc.want, but tc.input. So this is basically just my setup. If I was smart, I could just do setup and then return a commands repository. But then I couldn't defer db.close. Anyway, I'll just leave that there, I guess. Setup. We'll get my chat. Who should I try and get on to tear apart my code? Do you have any recommendations? If not, I'll probably get someone from my team at Charm. I'll ask if they want to come on the stream and rate my code. I want them to be like savage though. You know what I mean? Like, even if I don't, like, obviously I know my people at Charm really well, but like, even if it's somebody that I don't know that well, like, I want you to just be like, this is terrible and never do this again, and here's what you can do instead. You know what I mean? Like, I want it to be like, I'm okay with, I like very direct feedback. I don't like when they beat around the bush. They're like, wow, this looks great, but like, it's okay to just tell me it's bad. You know what I mean? Do you have links for all the extensions I used for VS Code? No, I haven't used it in so long, honestly. Make it spicy. Use someone who doesn't use Go. Theo will do that. That's true. That's true. Prime would probably do that too. TJ as well, because they know that. But like, they also know that I'm okay with that feedback style. That's my favorite feedback style. Like, even in school, my favorite teachers were the ones who were like just super direct with their feedback. The ones that were like, oh, good job. And then they give you like an 80. You're like, okay, but what did I miss? What did I miss here? Don't tell me it was great and then not give me 100%. You know what I mean? Your code is perfect. I'm going to ban you, Hellcat. I'm going to ban you for saying that. Have the Bengal review my code. My cat? Yeah, he could do it. He's pretty judgy. He would do it for sure. What color scheme? This is Capuchin. This is Capuchin. I gotta wait before I have a new video coming out on Monday. I gotta make sure I edit it. Got a new video coming out on Monday, and it's all it's my top themes of the year of 2022, of last year. So I gotta wait until I've launched that video before I try any other themes on stream. So, you know. Yeah, like, I just find it seems like a waste of time to try and have to like structure your feedback too much. Like, no, I mean for me personally, not for like some people they need that, you know. It's like, it's better, they respond better to like positivity. For me, my like approach to it is, I'm like, oh, but like I wouldn't want them to feel they have to like waste their time trying to be nice about it, you know. Okay, let's try that. Can I do deep equal on like a bite? I'm gonna try it. Okay. And then I should have a test that, wait, I should have a test that also fails. But then it's like, hold on. Wait, hello? What's happening here? Did I not yoink all of this? Can I yoink inside dish? Wait, I need to do it here. Here. That work? Oh, no, because I didn't do that. My bad. Okay, but what I want... Oh, yeah, and I haven't actually called it yet. This is going to be get value instead. Get value, and it's going to be where it's byte hello. Oh, wait, but that's... No, wait, hold on. Hold on. I did a bad thing. Value. I should do the key. I should have something for key. Key is byte world. I mean, hello. And then want is going to be the other thing. Key, byte, yes. Yes. I was like, wait, that's silly. Chat, you ever write code and you think, yeah, that's silly. We're not doing that. Clearly, I do a lot. Key. Oh, it would be tc.key. There we go. Do I have tc.input, tc.value, tc.want? Okay, yeah, it's all getting used. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. This one, I guess I'll do an empty one. And this would be for key is like non-existent, I think. Key is byte. I don't exist. All right. Where's the comma missing? Oh yeah, here. Okay. Whoopsies. Can I just make this empty? Is that fine? Do you have a problem? Okay, there we go. Sorry, chat. You're being ignored. Hold the phone. Only got so much time to code this morning. You know what I mean? How do I make it fail? I don't know. I just sometimes use software and think I see what you did there towards the devs. Yeah. Like with the browser servo, they have that meme from Futurama saying your certificate is bad and you should feel bad. I like that. I like that. Imagine we can insert the commas automatically. I know, right? I am from Canada, yeah. Your code is the worst. Thank you, Andre. I appreciate it. Have you ever wanted to work at a place that only uses C? I've never had that specific inclination. No, but I do work at a place that only uses Go and I like it. So, you know, don't let your dreams be dreams, you know? Yeah, okay. I guess we'll try running the test and then we'll see if I scuffed it. What did I do? Oh, I got it. Hold on. This logging is really annoying. I got to turn that off. In memory DB. Yeah, that's over here. Dot with logging. With logger. I think that's like false. Oh no, logger nil. Something like that. How did I do that? I'm pretty sure I have it in my main somewhere. Logger. Can I do that? I don't know if that's gonna work, but we'll try it anyway. Go run. Oh wait, that's not what I was trying to do. Unable to get commands, key not found. Okay, so that does fail it. So that's good to know. Wait, but then did that fail? Doesn't tell me which one it failed at, which is not an awesome test. This one. Enable cannot found. Is that an error then? That must be an error. I'm okay if there's an error like that. Can I check the error type? So I'm just trying to think. Unable to get commands. Yeah, so it's in the get value. So if it doesn't exist, yeah, if it doesn't exist, I don't mind if it's an error. Maybe what I should do is have it just I'll get if error does not equal nil, return error. Can I change the? Can I make v equal to like value to? Hello, I can't type. I actually just can't type. Chat, are we surprised? No. This command does not exist. Okay, cool. What kind of resource do you recommend to learn Go? I have a command for that. That's pretty much how I learned Go. It's so hard to debug, very bad errors. It can be, yeah, it can be kind of hard to debug. It's true. It's just true. You gotta like wrap your errors and like so that it's a little easier to like pinpoint where it's coming from. Yeah. I think that'll be better. But then that's not gonna fix that's not gonna fix any tests. You know what I mean? Which I think is fine. How do I want to handle that? I don't know. I don't know how I want to handle that. I don't know. Maybe I don't want it to give me an error. If it doesn't exist, what other errors would come up from that? If key is not found, error not key found is returned. Error key not found is returned. I think I'm just gonna not do that. Is that bad? Chat, how bad is that? Uh-oh. Oh, I didn't like that at all. What did I do? Oh. What? Wait. Oh, it's because yeah, okay. No, we got this. We got this, chat. And then return nil, I guess. Is that horrific? Oh, gosh. Oh, no. God does not equal want. Wait, what is that? Oh yeah, got should be okay. Yeah. That's actually my test that's wrong, actually, for the record. Okay, can I not have? Thank you. I mean, I think that's how I want to handle it anyway, because like when somebody tries to get a value and it doesn't exist, I just want them to know that it doesn't exist. Like I'm okay with that. So I think I'm okay to handle the error like that. Okay, yeah, now I need to update the test. Let me just yoink this line actually. And then got want. Okay, so want in this one should be something else. Want should be this. Oops, I got a lot of spaces in there. Okay, there we go. Alright. Chat, if the tests don't pass, just rewrite the test. Easy. Don't actually do that, please. Please don't. Don't actually do that. How can I code with you? I mean, you can code with me right now. Just open up your editor and start coding. Just start coding. W, if you're using NeoVim, thank you. Thank you. I also create stuff on my channel about NeoVim, like videos. But I'm hoping to do more dev content on YouTube. I'm just trying to figure out how I want to approach it, you know? I want it to be like more fun than like normal tutorials. Like I really like that video that I did where I'm contributing to open source, but I feel like that's always fun, contributing to open source. Like it's always a fun little story that's going on. When you're building your own stuff, it's just so much like trial and error that it's like a lot less exciting. And I don't have like all the time in the world, so it's not like I can like fully build something and then just like go back and like rebuild it. I'm not gonna do that on my Bash Bunny channel. I'll do it on my Charm channel because I get paid to do it. But it's not exactly the most fun kind of content to produce. Delete the tests. Can't fail tests if you don't have tests. Okay, this is true. This is true. Comment out the failing tests. I'm sensing a theme with Twitch chat and YouTube chat. It's a bunch of rascals. All right, maybe I should edit the title here so it's a little bit less vague for YouTube. Here we go. Oh, maybe I should say, okay, build a bot with me in Go. I guess this will be part 1 because it's, you know, we're not going to finish it today. There's no way. There's just no way. You know why? Because I have a life, chat. I got things to do. Shocking, I know. Absolutely shocking. That syntax is awful? Hello? What do you mean? I love Go syntax. I actually started writing Go because of the syntax. Is there something wrong with me? Is that emotional damage on my part? Is that a red flag? Just found your stream/channel as I decided to pick up Golang this year. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. It's very fun. What's live? It means that it's live. Like it's not pre-recorded. What state? I'm in BC. You could also just write working code. I've never done that in my life. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm pretty sure that's a myth. I'm pretty sure that doesn't even exist. Are you gaslighting me right now? Hey, is that fake news? Oh, I should commit. Hold on. Should be smart and commit my changes. All right. Let's use NeoGet for funsies. Why not? You know, NeoGet. Yeah, we love NeoGet. Heck yeah! This is the only. This is like the only UI I would use for Git. So you're at working code now, huh, nerd? Why don't you lie some more? Why don't you lie? How about? Why don't you send me your GitHub profile? I'll do a rating right now. Huh? You guys are all talk and no follow through. I will rip apart your GitHub in the girls group chat. I'm going to dig through your commit history and tell you what's what. All right? I'm going to expose you and your bad commit messages. What do you commit? Fix me? Is that what your messages say? No. That would be too descriptive for you. That would be, oh God, it doesn't run anymore. I think I fixed it, ... Oh no, it's still broken. Most of my commits are IDK. Yeah, true. So toxic. Listen, I started writing Haskell and now I'm spicy. I don't know. What did I join? Who's the victim? I'm just teasing. We're just teasing chat. Jinu said lie more about writing working code. So like they were ready for it. They knew. It's all with love. It's all with love. I just like to tease chat, you know? Always got it. What's the point? If you can't give chat a hard time, what's the point of even streaming, honestly? Where is this? Main? I mean, I could commit that, I guess. Let's do it. Get all, ask about this. Sure. 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 Wait, what did I just stage? I have no idea what's going on. Oh, I just deleted that. Okay, yeah. Wait, how do I do that again? Oh, shoot. Okay. Feet. Okay. Get value from key. Sick. Yes. Nice. Move to C? Are you the one who was telling me to move to C on my previous stream? Why should I move to C? What am I going to build in C? What kind of projects do people build with C? Like what kind of like fun projects that you build on the weekend do you do with C? This is what I'm asking you. Nope. Okay, it was someone else. Never mind then. Arcade games, ships and pirates, a screenshot tool, everything. No, hello? You're saying C++ syntax is better than Go? Bro, what? C syntax caused straight up emotional damage for me, okay? Straight up damaged goods after writing C++. Wow, okay, chat's really going off with the C ideas. Okay, screenshot tools, CLI tools, Arduino stuff. Okay, this is true. grep, OS, Python beats all. C++ syntax is beautiful. Oh, I don't even have chat open for you guys. Oh, that's tragic. Sorry, my bad. I forgot. I was filming the other day and I forgot to put it back on. I'm really sorry. C++ syntax is beautiful. Okay, I thought I was damaged. Okay, chat. Okay. If you say so. I mean, if you say so, I guess. For the record, we're joking. In case there's anyone new here who is like very concerned, they're like, wow, this is the most toxic stream I've ever seen in my life. We're actually joking. Okay? Don't worry. No stress. Okay, how do I edit values in Badger? Let's look at the docs. Where even am I? Opening a database, reading something using key value pairs. Edit. Okay, we'll update. Can I just overwrite an existing one? I feel like I could. Can we save by first creating entry, then setting this entry? Okay, to retrieve this value. Can I just change it? I think I can just change it. So I think I can actually just do... Can I just actually do set value? I still think this makes sense to have a wrapper for it though, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe if I edit, I just do set value. I'm gonna try it. Let's try it. I guess we'll do test set value. Oh goodness. Oh my gosh, that was disgusting. Why did you do that? Test set value. All right. T testing.t blah 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 blah. Yeah, I mean, I can just yoink this because It's mostly what I want. It's way more than I want, but it's mostly what I want. All right. I input key want. Key new value should also be there. Yeah. Key. Oh, but then new value would be the same as, hold on. I don't need want then. Wait, but then that is want. But I feel like it's more clear if I say new value. All right, I'll just yoink everything. Hold on. All right, Chow, we got this. We got this. We're like professional DLM user. Want is going to be new value. Sick. We did it. Never really heard. What am I working on? We're building a bot in Go for streaming. What does this bot do? Yes. So it's a stream bot. So right now we're actually just interacting with the database. Like I'm doing, hopefully, hopefully doing the repository pattern. We're trying to do that. And then, yeah, so we're basically just defining, our like methods for interacting with the database right now. And then the next step is going to be hopefully getting something that interacts with the Twitch API and then getting one that interacts with the YouTube API, and they both access the same commands for stream. This cursor hurts me emotionally. Listen, do you know how large this, look at how large this cursor is. I don't know how to make it smaller. Okay. I love this cursor. This was my favorite thing about Manjaro, was the cursor. What database are you using? I'm using what's it called? Badger. I'm just using Badger DB. It's like a very simple key value store. Because that's all I need. Like, it's just commands, right? May I ask why you have a French tag on your stream? Parce qu'on peut parler en français ici aussi. J'ai beaucoup de gens dans la communauté qui sont francophones et on parle français aussi sur le stream. Mais c'est plutôt comme quand les personnes, ils demandent une question en français, moi je vais répondre en français. So I speak French or English, and it just kind of depends. Like if people talk to me in French, then I will reply in French. But otherwise, I kind of assume English. Is she speaking with her nose? Probably. Isn't that how everyone speaks? My nose is super stuffy, to be honest. Chat. I can't get away with anything. I gotta go blow my nose, okay? But like, leave me alone. I literally started streaming at 6 a.m. Okay? Leave me alone. Le français, c'est quasiment aussi joli que le C++. No. No. I think you wanted to point out that the video and audio, are they slightly out of sync again? Dude, I think I just need to reinstall OBS if that's, but also I don't care enough. You know what I mean? You can blow it on stream, imagine. That'd be weird. That'd be weird. Hello, and the new value is gonna be chat. All right, you got this. Whoa, what if I try and set then it'll create a new value. Okay, this is gonna be new, and this is gonna be value. I'm super creative. Yeah, cool. Okay, cool. So then now what I want to do is I want to do this, and then I want to do c dot set value to okay, that, which I think only returns an error. Yeah, And we'll do if. I can't. Oh my gosh, I actually can't. Holy. Hello? Alright. And error does not equal nil. Then we're going to do a thing, which is mostly going to be t.fatal. We'll just fail the test for now. Unable to set value. Alright. And then got should be get value of new value is what I want it to be. Table driven unit tests, that's right, that's right. Well, or yeah. Kind of doing integration tests because I'm not the best at testing, but you know, it's fun. Live coding vids are my favorite. Well, I'm glad. I'm doing more and more of that on YouTube as well, which is fun. DB, use a JSON file? Hello? No. If anything, I was actually thinking of using a YAML file. Potentially, and then I was like, okay, well, I might as well just use a key value store. Like, what's wrong with me? Why would I do that? Set X cursor size in X resources to 16. Oh. In X resources? Is that so? Where do I... I think it's only in I3 that's happening. Set X cursor size. All right, hold on. Let's sidetrack. What could go wrong? X resources. Oops. Okay, so it's literally an empty file right now. And I've also mistyped it. Oops. It looks like they all have little stars here. I3. Oh, there we go. Wait. This is where I should be doing it. Hold on. Wait, does I3... Whatever. I've never tried Flutter, no. What am I listening to? I'm actually not listening to anything. I don't know why I'm wearing this headset. I'm not listening to anything. I gotta go kind of soon. Should contain a line. I actually don't care. I'll actually do that later if I feel like it. But thank you for letting me know, because now I know that it exists and I can actually change it. Bye, Danielle. Thanks for hanging out. I love this font. I feel like, because I like really pastel themes and stuff like that, so I feel like having such a, like, this font is very, like, aggressive, like, very sharp. So sharp it could cut you, you know? But, like, with pastel themes, which is kind of a fun contrast. Okay, go test. Okay, cool. I'm like really trusting my test. I'm actually, yeah, I think that works. Yeah, so that means the new value, it just updates it like that. Well, that's easy. That's nice. All right, what else do we have? We got one more thing to implement. Get status, whoopsies. Get status, get add, get commit, edit values. Oh, I actually don't know what I changed. Oh well. Whoops. It's literally quiet. Like I have no reason to be wearing the headset, but I'm wearing it out of habit more than anything. I'm meaning to ask you, how about creating a beginner series in which you use some of the charm libraries, like the one you did with the Kanban board? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it is on my list. It's just kind of time consuming to do. The problem, like literally the only reason I haven't come out with more videos like that is just because I haven't had any development time at work. But I've changed my schedule around so that I hopefully should be able to do more development at work. So this coming week is going to be a dev week. So that'll basically give me time to work on like building new projects so that I could actually create tutorials on how to do that stuff. So yeah. When C? Everyone's asking about C today. Okay. I don't know. I don't know when I'm going to write C. I don't know. Maybe if I feel like I want to be friends with Linus Torvalds, but then I might just learn Rust. I don't know. Why not use any assertion library or testing frameworks? The test suite that's built into Go is pretty good. You shouldn't really have to use any testing frameworks or anything. You could for mocking, but you don't. Like, I don't really need to in this case. I'm using the in-memory database for Badger, which I hope I'm using properly. So yeah. You could teach JJ about the charm libraries in your collab series. I mean, he's not really my target audience. Like, I don't think he would really be interested in that. But I'm happy to teach about it on the charm channel, like, anyway. You know what I mean? It's just a matter of like having the time. I just haven't had time to build something new to like review in a video. But I do have some ideas and maybe even some existing tools that maybe some of my colleagues have written that I can highlight. But that'll probably be coming later in the month. Right now I do have some content queued up, but it's more like, I mean, what kind of content do I have? Yeah, it's kind of more like educational content, but not like not like a tutorial, if that makes sense. When's our new collab with TJ? So we filmed the first episode already. I'm not sure when it's going to get published, though. Go is quite similar to C. This is true. Can Go make people rich? I'm not seeing job opportunities, at least in my country. Oh, yeah. No, there's lots of job opportunities in Go. If you join they have a Slack, the Go First Slack. You can see there's so many job postings in Go. Like a bunch. There's most like a lot of companies use Go in the back end. Like Twitch does. A lot of FANG companies, so like they have Go in their stack. I mean, reason being, it's really easy to learn. Yeah, the concurrency is awesome. It's good for things. It's good for things on the back end. Let our real companies use C? I don't understand what's happening here. Want to meet Linus Torvalds or Linus Sebastian? Both. All of the above. Just got hooked on the glamorous side of the charm library. I know, it's so fun, hey? Yeah, so when I was learning Go, this is pretty much how I did it. For those on the YouTube, let me show you what that command does. I just linked my favorite. So annoying. It's actually like too long of a message on YouTube. I'll just split it into 2 messages, I guess. There we go. Okay. I guess I'll have to put that into consideration then as well for the for this project. Is that like there's a limit. Okay, do I have time? I don't really have time to add any more functionality this morning. What have I done? I think I already am up to date. I'm so close though. I really just want to do it. Just want to finish it. Oh, delete. Okay, let's try it. Let's do it, yeah. Let's do it. Error is probably going to be c.db.update and then func. Nice. I love built-in LSP. delete. Okay. I like how I didn't pass. I didn't think that it needed a key. Like, hello. I guess let's go quickly fix that. All right. Cool. And then what we can do is we can do txn.delete. And I think I can just do key. Oh, I'm so inconsistent too, you guys. I need to make it K. It's different everywhere. Why am I like this? Okay, and then what is this? What else does this want from me? It returns an error. All right. Oh, I could literally just do my if error right here. Okay, so that error does not equal nil. Then return. I should just return the error. And then here. I mean, yeah, delete. I don't really want it to have to handle the errors. Okay, wait, so then if error does not equal nil, blah, blah, blah. Maybe I'll just return false. How bad is that? Is that, be honest, chat, how bad is that? If error. Oh, I guess I might as well just do this and then I can just return error. Hold on. It doesn't actually matter if it's nil or not. Because if it's nil, I'll just be returning nil. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Return error. Okay. To do, how bad is this? Is this on a scale of 1 to 10? This is gonna make it like impossible to debug though. Impossible. I think I'm better off just returning an error. Yeah, I'm better off just returning an error. It's too gross. I can't do it. I actually can't do it. Which is crazy. Like even I draw the line there, you know? Wild. All right, I'm just gonna yoink this. Cause what could go wrong? I'll just keep copying the same test everything. What could go wrong? All right, test delete. What even is the function called? Delete value? Okay. Cool. Yeah. I don't know what song that is or anything. Just got a message about show Crocs. Is that literally you showing your Crocs? Yeah, my Crocs are gone though. Like they're not here. I do have Costco slippers though. It seems just like an API just always return an error. You're not wrong. Showing us your best Vim shortcut. I don't know if I could do that on the spot. Telescope is my favorite plugin though. Rip Crocs. Yeah, they're just in a different room and I'm too lazy to get them. Hi, wrong. How's the audio sync today? So I might miss a point. Why not just return an error from delete value? Does it implement a specific interface? Error values are useful. Yeah, they are. They are. This is true. Wow, 23 months Prime. Thank you so much. Thank you. Double T, 23 months in Apex, much excited. Yeah, I'm excited. We're going to play Apex soon, by the way, with the Prime engine. We're going to play Apex in a couple weeks. And then I've also got another fun stream coming up with Prime and Theo and Rox and TJ. That'll be fun. But I haven't set a date yet for that, so yeah. Hopefully, I mean, it doesn't require that much prep, so we'll see. We'll see. I hope everything's good, Prime. Hope everything's good. I know life's busy for you right now, so send in all the good vibes with that. What best app did you create it? Are you asking what my best app is so far? I put the most time into PJs, but that was like a learning project. I don't know. I don't think I really have any like apps that I'm like super like stoked about. You know what I mean? Life is busy, life is good, we will destroy. Exactly. Agreed. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna see what this is. Should probably have something for one. Oh, I guess I could just change this new value thing like I did before. New value. I still can't type. That's actually embarrassing, chat. I do have to go soon, though. You guys, I'm actually already late. I'm so bad. Fatal F is the chubby brother Gandalf. Yeah, I love it. Love it. I love Go. I'm surprised so many people are like really not liking the syntax, but like I'm shocked. I love the Go syntax. For what? Yeah, okay. So even with the headset way further forward, it's still, I mean, I'm feeling it a little bit. I don't understand. I have like a cheaper pair of like the HyperX headset. That thing is so plush at the top. Like you can wear it forever and it doesn't hurt you. Go is simple and nice. Agreed. Bash got me hooked on learning Go. Prime got me hooked on learning Rust and NeoVim. TJ got me hooked on digging deep into NeoVim and Trash. Well, not sure yet. I feel like Trash is a good influence to making you laugh more. Trash is like a very funny, kind person. Very funny and kind. Don't tell him I said that. Okay, he can't know. All the if error does not equal nil are really appealing to you. Okay, listen. It's not that bad. Yeah, I don't find it that bad. We'll see though. How come so many streamers use headphones rather than speakers? If I use speakers, it'll get picked up by the mic. That's why. So usually when I'm doing my, like often if I'm doing my study streams, when I'm muted, I'll have speakers. And then I just turn them off while we talk. But I'm not going to do that when it's like my mic's open right now. I'm happy to use languages that handle memory. I do not care. Yeah. I feel like to each their own. Everyone choose their own battles. I'm excited to build some stuff with Haskell though. That'll be fun. Yeah, that's... yeah. Okay, wait. I need to make sure I know what I'm doing here. Want... I guess nothing. Not an error. Don't actually need any want. It's funny that I thought I'd need to change that, but I did not. This one is going to give me an error though, so I got to figure out what I want to do with that. So I'll probably just leave that one for next time. Set value. Yeah, no, I don't need that. What I do need, I actually don't know what this one is for, this squiggly. Okay, get value. No, we're not doing that. We're also not doing that. We are going to just try and delete a value and then see what happens. And then I hope for the best. Delete value, and then I guess it'll be tc.key. And then set error. Error, and then, oh, actually I can just do error does not equal nil. Yeah, one day I'll get sick of writing that. We'll see. For now, doesn't bother me that much. Alright. Unable to delete value. And then I should also include the error message. All right, cool. Otherwise, it will pass. Or so I think. Okay. Why did this one pass? Why did that one pass? tc.input. TC range tests. Why did this one pass? It doesn't even exist. When did it give me an error? TXN. Where's TXN? Alright, you guys, I actually have to go soon. I'm the worst. I'm always late for everything. You know why? Because I do things like this. Where's delete? Interesting. Okay, well, I don't know why that passes. To do. Why does this pass? I guess it's basically just like, well, it doesn't exist, so there's no point in deleting it. It's fine. Any other languages you dabble in? Right now, I am learning Haskell. And I may or may not. I can't actually say anything about the other languages I might be learning. Not yet. I miss coding in Go. I saw from a startup that worked in Go to a startup that's all Python, and Python's dependency management and complete lack of hints makes me wish I could go back to Go so badly. Yeah. That's brutal. I'm sorry. Hopefully you're still getting to write some Go in your free time. But yeah. Like other languages, you first get annoyed by if error doesn't equal did, then you get used to it. Yeah, it's true. Like there's pros and cons to every language, and I think if that's the biggest con to Go, then like, okay. It's not that bad. When I see something from trash, I'm always thinking, when does the next joke come? Why did Noel feel so depressive? Because it didn't have any value? Yeah. Yeah. What is the least keys you know on a keyboard? Well, I'm cursed. I use a 65% keyboard right now. I also have a split keyboard for when I really shouldn't though. It's apparently really bad for me. Like, don't tell the other streamers. They're going to attack me. Is it better if I stream on Twitch or YouTube? Twitch, okay, so neither have good discoverability of your live stream while you're streaming, but Twitch has better discoverability. So what that means is like you will get recommended streams and stuff like that. So like your people who might like your stream might get recommended your stream. YouTube, it's like only your subscribers that are going to see it until it's a VOD basically. And Twitch also has like categories that you can look through. So like people who are looking for like a software development stream, they can look in the software development category and like see who's streaming in that. They don't have that on YouTube. So just, I would say that. Oh shit, Prime's still here. Uh-oh. I knew that the 65% keyboard would be the worst. Prime is the worst person to hear that. Prime is the worst person to hear me talking about my tiny little keyboard that should be used for gaming and gaming only. It's true. So what I like about the platforms in general, not relating to just live streaming, YouTube has more reproducible success versus Twitch, I think, is more luck. Like you get lucky by like who raids you. Rating is like really important for discoverability for Twitch and for like networking basically, right? Like it's easier to kind of like network on Twitch, I think, than YouTube. There isn't as much like community on YouTube. But YouTube, if you're making videos and stuff like that, like your strategy for like making good videos is like they're skills you get better at, and you can have a new channel and have multiple channels that are successful because you create good content. You know what I mean? If you want to grow, always raid. Oh, I don't know. I didn't know that. Why? Algorithm wise? I didn't know that. That's really interesting. I always raid, but just because I'm like, why would I just not? Super private. Okay. Yeah, that's interesting. Zelage is very awesome. Thank you. I'm so glad. Yeah, guys, by the way, I did a video with the Zelage author. Let me find it. It was a really good video, actually. Genuinely turned out great. Let me grab it. So I'm gonna grab, so there's one that we did that's like more specific to basically just like maintaining an open source project. And then there's the part 2 that's like more specifically like the Zelage, how to use it and stuff like that. And actually, I think the part 2 is probably more interesting for you guys. I just didn't post it on the main charm channel because it's not really specific to like what our charm, like to like charm specifically. Do you know what I mean? So it's on our community channel. But yeah. It's hard to grow on YouTube though. Yeah, but you can also get subscribers through, so like, yeah, you can, but like, this is why I think it's so important that people with a community have somewhere for like self-promotion and stuff like that. Cause like me, for example, in our Discord, there's a self-promo channel. I never want to get rid of that self-promo channel. It helped me a lot when I was first streaming and stuff like that to like promote my stream in like other people's self-promo channels and stuff like that. Like getting some viewership is not impossible, but I mean, you can use shorts and stuff like that. It's just like YouTube is hard, Twitch is hard. The real problem is that social media is super hard. It's true. Yeah, like yeah. It's true. It's true. I think the biggest thing that's like helped me in the last year though is like I'll take breaks if I need it. I'm like quite introverted, which is kind of surprising for someone who can like talk to a camera for a couple hours at least. I'm quite introverted, so like if I need time away from social media, I will take time away from social media, and like yeah, that's like super important to me. Which is probably why I would never be able to do like full-time streaming or full-time content. I just like, it's like hard to like give that much of yourself to social media. And actually one thing that's helped me just like with my stress levels overall for the last like year. So for those of you who don't know, I got a like very minor concussion in the summer. But it was enough that I literally couldn't work for like a month, and it sucked. And I couldn't do any screen time or anything like that. So I started, basically I have like more hobbies now that are not screen related. And basically if I'm not like coding and like learning with coding, I am not looking at screens. Like I read or I knit or I do like a bunch of other things, but I have way more hobbies that just are not in front of a screen, and it's actually helped me so much. Like I feel way less stressed out, and I can tell too, because like if I scroll on Twitter for too long or something now, I'm just like, wow, like the contrast is like normally at like a 2 out of 10 stress, and like when I've been scrolling on social media, it's like 8 out of 10. Do you feel streaming made you better at your craft of programming? I mean, yes, for sure. I get a lot of good recommendations from chat, surprisingly. Okay. Surprisingly. I do get some good recommendations from chat on like problem solving and stuff like that help. Also, I think what it's helped most with is one, that it's given me like time that I set aside on a monthly, weekly basis. For me now monthly, because it's not so much like a fixed schedule for me on a weekly basis. It's just like I do want to stream at least a certain number of hours per month. But I do find that it helped me a lot with basically just having that time set aside for working on side projects and things like that, which made me a better programmer. And it's also helped me communicate my ideas and things like that better. I used to be, you guys would have like, even when I first started streaming, I was so shy to talk about technical things, like to the point where like I would not I could ask questions if I like trusted the person. You know what I mean? Like if it was like a nerd that I trusted, I would ask them questions, but like I would not discuss technical things in like a group setting because I was so scared of getting like shut down. Um so it's actually helped me a lot because I've just gotten so used to like I've got a much thicker skin now. It's just like I don't really care what other people like have, just like whatever negativity, whatever, but like it definitely helps you a lot with communicating, especially if you're like talking through your process and stuff like that. It's really good for that. Have you tried using an e-ink monitor? I haven't. No. No. Did I fumble by talking about the differences between Rust and JavaScript to someone who has no idea how to code on a first date? Maybe a little bit. Maybe don't talk at them. I think that's a big mistake that some people make, is that like especially if you get nervous, like you start talking at someone. You're like, "Oh, I'm interested in this." I'm going to like tell them all about it, but like do they care? No. And it's not very nice of you to like try and make them, you know? Try and find something that is interesting to them as well and like relate to that, you know? But like it's not the worst thing. It's just like it depends on the person. Depends on the person. Like they might be fine with it, but some people would be like, "Okay, that was weird." Also, hi George. Nice to see you. Happy Sunday. I hope you're having a great weekend. Yeah, no, I'm okay. I'm fully recovered from my concussion, but yeah, it sucked. Actually, our last programming challenge that we did, like the programming 1v1v1 with Prime Rocks TJ, I had my concussion and I was like dying. I was dying. That was like a week after and I was not okay. I had to be in a dark room for like 3 or 4 days after that. I feel like sometimes talking to chat helps with my own understanding, as maybe you wouldn't have thought of it that way or realize you don't know as much as you thought you did. Yeah, for sure. It definitely helps you find like gaps in your knowledge. Definitely. Definitely. But you gotta ask them what editor they use so that they know. So that you know if you even want to consider a relationship. But like they don't code. Yeah, totally wrong. It's true. Concussion and getting racket equal I give up. Oh yeah, 100%. Even getting go, I was like, I can't read. I can't even read. Nice, Owen. That's exciting. It's exciting. This is my first chat. Well, hello. Welcome in. Appreciate the chat. By the way, for every NeoVim user, I want to say a huge thank you to Bash Bunny. We've been preaching for decades, but having new faces that show people how awesome it is helps. NeoVim has been hot lately. Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome. I actually got peer pressured by chat, aka the Primogens chat, when I first started streaming. They're like, "Why aren't you using NeoVim?" And I'm like, "I don't know." And so I just started using it. And yeah, it was the most painful thing ever. But you can check out my latest video on YouTube if you want to learn more about how I got started with it, despite being at like what most people I feel like would consider too early to start NeoVim. I did it anyway. I found Twitch chat intimidating at first. Me too. I was a lurker for a long time before I ever chatted. For sure. Another reason to switch to Rust, Go programmers regularly get concussions. I literally got a concussion playing with my dog. What the heck? One of my dogs is very large, and he jumped right at my head while I was leaning against a wall, and it like slammed my head into the wall. And it must have just hit a bad spot because it was it was not fun. I was not pleased. I had a lot of things I was excited to do at work, and then it's like, oh, just kidding, you can't look at screens for a while. Yeah, it sucked. Do you know how to improve your how to improve your front end? Make sure that you have good UX. Make sure that you have good UX. Less is more. What else? Do you mean just like the code? I'm not too sure. But you guys, I do have to go. We're going to raid somebody. I don't know if I know anybody that's streaming on YouTube. I don't even know how to do the redirect. You guys, it's so difficult. It's so not intuitive. I don't know how to do it. I'm not. Oh, wait. Web Dev Junkie is on. Okay, I'm going to try. Let's see if I can figure out how to do this. Let's see if I can figure out how to do this. So I think I can go. We got this, chat. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. We're going to figure it out. Okay, wait. I got to mute this tab. Where are you? Mute tab. Oh, sick. And they're learning Go? That's awesome. Okay. What changes? Hello? Oh gosh, I don't actually know how to do it. I made the greatest comment ever and Bash missed it. Okay, wait, hold on. I'll check. The best way to improve your front end is crunches, bench press, and shrugs. True. True. That is a great comment. Thank you. Thank you for enlightening me on that. Okay, redirect viewers YouTube live. Okay, I don't know if I can figure out how to do this. It should not be this hard. That's all I have to say. It should not be this hard. Okay, we're going to do it though. We got this, chat. Okay, Web Dev Junkie. This is the link. Let's see if we can do it. Hello? They need to figure that out. Honestly, Prime, it's brutal. It's like hard to find it too. Like, I don't think I can do it. Like, I straight up don't think I can do it. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, that would have been fun. That would have been fun to be able to do that. But I don't know. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, wait. Add a channel for redirect. This option is disabled if your channel wait, what? What? All channels? Oh, no, that's like for people to go to me. Oh, that's so confusing. All right. Well, I'm going to just assume that doesn't exist. Bye, Prime. Thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. I enlist all my videos after because one, you want them public during stream, not your main content pushing when not online. You want them public during stream, not... Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. That's true. I've been liking it though. Okay, we should talk about that more. Because I've been liking having it as it is. Hey, I'm so glad, Sinks. That's awesome. Okay, well, I guess you can go check out Web Dev Junkie if you're on YouTube. Let me go back to my stream so that I can send a link to that. They're learning Go, which is super fun. So you can go check them out. Let them know that I sent you if you want to support. Otherwise, goodbye, YouTube. Okay, goodbye, YouTube. And can I edit anything here? Hello? Oh, or not goodbye, YouTube. Okay, anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to raid somebody on Twitch because I actually know how to do that. Shockingly, we actually know how to do that. And let's find who we should raid. Who should we raid? Chat, do you have any recommendations? Any preferences? Anything? Let's go for a low viewer stream. You guys, I went 30 minutes longer than I meant to. 40 minutes. You guys, I'm actually the worst. This is why I'm late for everything. Okay. Chat, can you recommend someone, please? Hero Dev. Okay, we're going to raid Hero Dev. Let's raid Hero. Oh, sorry, Chris Nova. All right. We'll do them next time because I want to raid a smaller Chris Nova again. Okay. I'll raid a smaller one today. But thank you all so much for hanging out. I appreciate it. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, or if it's like already tomorrow for you, then like enjoy the future. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what happens tomorrow yet, so no spoilers in the Discord. Okay, but join the Discord. And if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I would appreciate that. I'm trying to grow on YouTube and I'm trying to have fun over there. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Okay? Next time. Bye, guys. Goodbye. 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 Have a great weekend. Okay, goodbye. I'm really bad at saying bye. Okay, bye. Bye. I think I did it that time. I actually don't know if that rated properly. Because I'm just a really good streamer. Let me double check. I'm always like nervous that it didn't work. You know? Like, what if it didn't work and I gotta like redo it? I just tuned in. I'm sorry, Nira. I'm sorry. Okay, did that work? Okay, I think it worked. All right. Goodbye, YouTube. I'll see you guys in a video soon, okay? I swear. I've got hopefully 2 coming out next week. Okay? Bye, guys.